In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a year-over-year calculation in Tableau. Creating this kind of calculation is incredibly useful for analyzing trends over time, making it an essential skill in your data analytics toolkit. To get started, open up the Tableau app on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure to download it from the official Tableau website. Once you've launched Tableau, proceed to access your worksheet. If you're new, you'll need to connect to a data source. In our case, we'll be using the construction spending data source. This dataset includes valuable time-based data that's perfect for year-over-year analysis. Now, let's begin setting up our view. Start by dragging the period name field into the rows shelf. This step is critical because it organizes your data by time periods, making it easier to see changes and trends. Next, you'll want to break this data down further by quarter. This allows for a more granular view of any trends or patterns that may occur within each year. Next, locate the field labeled Category Description and drag it to the Filters shelf. In the dialog box that appears, check the box next to Total Construction and click OK. This filter ensures we're only analyzing the relevant data for this calculation, focusing solely on total construction to exclude any unnecessary noise. Now drag the value field to the column shelf. This area often appears under an ABC label. The value field represents the financial data or metrics you are analyzing, allowing us to visually map how these numbers relate over time. Clicking the drop-down menu next to Value gives you additional options for calculations. Select Quick Table Calculation from this list, which is a fantastic feature for quickly computing simple analyses. Afterwards, select Year-over-Year Growth from the options that pop up. With just a few clicks, Tableau performs this calculation automatically, showcasing growth between each recorded year in your dataset. But I'll also show you how to perform this calculation manually, offering control and flexibility. For another layer of analysis, drag value to the view columns once again. Open its drop-down menu and once more select Quick Table Calculation, this time choosing Percent Difference. This tells you the percentage change of your values from one year to the next. It's a great way to express the significance of changes in context. Finally, click on Value one last time and then click Edit Table Calculation. Choose specific dimensions from the options and make sure to uncheck Quarter of Period Name. This step ensures calculations are only comparing year-to-year data and that they don't inadvertently summarize by quarters, leading to misleading results. With these steps, you should have a dynamic and insightful year-over-year analysis, perfect for tracking ongoing changes in construction spending or any other time-sensitive data you may have. Thank you for watching and happy tableauing.